It can be challenging to design or renovate your pool if you don't know where to begin. Investing in a well-designed modern pool will improve your quality of life and enhance your backyard space. But what are the current trends? In this video, we'll review the hottest in-ground pool design trends for 2023, including design, amenities, shape, finishes, pool type, and equipment. Hi, I'm Daniela with J Designs Pool & Spa, where we've been working with our clients for over 15 years to build in-ground pools of many different styles and shapes. We have seen popular trends in pool designs that homeowners have chosen throughout our careers, and we're here to share them with you. First and foremost, we're starting with design, and we've noticed that flow is the way to go, or rather, overflow. An overflow perimeter pool is a design in which the water fills your pool until it overflows into the built-in catch basin, which surrounds the edges as the pool vessel is raised past the coping. Similarly, the Lautner Edge design is essentially the same as the overflow perimeter design, only the water line is not raised past the coping as the vessel is sunken in to match the coping level. And amongst our most popular designs is the Infinity Pool, or Vanishing Edge, that I'm sure you've seen on Instagram, where the overflow only happens on one or two sides of the pool, rather than all around, by having just one of the exposed walls just a little bit shorter than the water level. Next on our trends list are amenities, and they're a great way to add more cozy or social elements to your pool, depending on what you're looking for. If you're looking to add to your hardscape, but not necessarily your pool, a fire pit may be a great addition for homeowners who want to dry off and hang out after the swim session, or just keep warm outdoors at night or while the pool is out of commission during the chilly season. However, for those of us looking to add to their pool's wow factor, we recommend an acrylic window, which can be added to the side or bottom of your vessel, and have the novel effect of allowing people in the living space to see people swimming in the pool, like a luxury aquarium. For those of us with more active and athletic lifestyles, another trend that we've seen growing in popularity is the addition of a cold plunge, which is a separate body of water used to regenerate your bloodstream, clearing it of toxins. And if you're the party type, a wet bar or a swim-up bar is definitely the way to go. Wet bars can create social environment, which adds the coveted resort feel to your backyard, while a swim-up bar adds to that by having raised stools built into one side of the concrete pool where drinks can be served without ever having to leave the water. The shape of your pool will say a lot about your space. And for modern times, a rectilinear or rectangle pool is sure to match the current home design trends in California. The pool finish is often the make or break detail for many homeowners, and amongst the most popular are the polished surface finishes with a marble base, which is favored because it can stand up to wear and tear, and it doesn't require complete demolition if you wish to renovate it in the future. And the Pebble Aggregate finishes, due to their ability to mimic natural bodies of water, and because they come in a large variety of colors, sizes, and textures, makes your choices virtually limitless. Due to the mild weather in Los Angeles, your pool is going to be in use year-round, so you want it to hold up against bad weather days, regular wear and tear, and generally just last a long time. For this reason, there is no better option for Angelinos than a concrete pool. Being highly customizable, they're able to be shaped and molded to your personal style and use purposes, as they can be shaped into any design that you can think of. In addition to that, concrete pools set into California's expansive soil withstand earthquakes better than vinyl or fiberglass designs, making the investment into your concrete pool significant because oftentimes there's no need to replace or renovate in the event of hazardous weather or circumstances beyond one's control. So we've got the design, amenities, shape, finish, and type down. But what about trending pool equipment? As a homeowner, you want to stay ahead of the curve in sanitizing and maintaining your pool. For this reason, along with the incredible advancements in technology, smart pumps are the way to go. And when used with ozone and UV systems, smart pumps are cost-effective and low maintenance because they consume less electricity and can be controlled through a smartphone, which makes them a popular and convenient choice for anyone, whether you're designing your backyard oasis for the first time or renovating your space to fit your needs. And as many say, we're now living in the future, and the future of modernization is simply about quality, while the style is completely up to you. Even if you have a classic bean-shaped pool with stone foundations and 200-year-old marble, you can make it modern so long as it embodies these qualities. It has to have automation, sustainability, and long-lasting materials, all of which can be built in or added to your existing pool through renovation. It must be appropriate to the landscape and match the architecture of the home, which J Designs will help you with through our team of professional designers and builders. It must be valuable to enjoy with family and friends, which you can be sure of as we guide you through the design process. And it must adhere to current regulations and safety standards, which you can trust J Designs to follow and exemplify with each and every one of our projects. No matter what, be sure to seek a certified pool professional who can help you in realizing a design that is both aesthetically pleasing while also being sustainable. And that is the key to less heartache and more happiness. We hope this video gives you inspiration for your new or existing pool and backyard, now that you know the popular in-ground pool design trends for 2023, as well as what it takes to build or renovate a modern pool. No matter what, we want you to feel confident and informed about your choices in designing your pool, so you can enjoy it for years to come, or at least until you feel you need an upgrade. For more information or to start the discussion about your design, schedule an appointment with one of our pool design experts by either clicking in the link in the description or going to the website jdesigns.com and clicking book an appointment at the top right-hand corner of the screen. It's as simple as that. I'm Daniela with J Designs Pool and Spa, and this has been your guide to pool designs and trends for 2023. Thanks for watching.